Imagine following a recipe for a cake. You wouldn't expect an egg to vanish or a bag of sugar to appear from thin air. Chemistry follows the same logic. In any reaction, atoms are never created or destroyed. They just get rearranged. This is the law of conservation of mass, the universe's fundamental rule for cooking. Chemists write this rule using equations. The starting ingredients, or reactants, are on the left. The final result, or products, are on the right. An arrow between them simply means reacts to produce. It's like saying flour plus eggs yields a cake. But to be accurate, the equation must be balanced. This means having the exact same number of each type of atom on both sides. Think of atoms like Lego bricks. If you take apart a tower to build a car, you must use every single brick. Here's the golden rule. To balance an equation, you can only change the coefficients, the big numbers in front of a chemical formula. You can never change the subscripts, the small numbers within a formula. Changing H2O, water, to H2O2 doesn't balance anything. It creates a completely different substance, hydrogen peroxide. Let's balance the creation of water. H2 plus O2 yields H2O. On the left, we have 2 oxygen atoms, but on the right, only 1. So let's put a coefficient of 2 in front of the H2O. Now we have 2 waters. The oxygen is balanced, but this gives us 4 hydrogen atoms on the right. To fix this, we place a 2 in front of the H2 on the left. A quick check shows 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygens on both sides. Balanced. This isn't just a classroom puzzle. This process, stoichiometry, is essential. A pharmaceutical company uses balanced equations to calculate the exact amount of raw materials needed for a life-saving drug. Getting it wrong means wasting money, or worse, failing to produce enough medicine. Balancing equations is the precise language that builds and explains our world.